So after opening Braun hand blender, I clean it up a little bit here, the circuit, and this motor was not working, so trying to figure out what may be wrong with it. So just open it up, clean it up, and after cleaning I found when you press the switch here, it's actually touching the one of the connector here on the bottom, and when you do that, actually the solder on the back of it has gone bad. If you can see this here, so it should be like something like smooth like this, but it's like almost gone, non-existent here. So when you press on it, it's not making a contact, and probably that's what's wrong with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder this back and see if the switch. So after opening Braun, you see that I fixed the solder here. Let me do a close-up so you can see. It is kind of perfect, and so now I think it should work. Let me plug in the wires. And I will hold it, and you could see some motor sound coming out of it. It should be right here. Voila! It's fixed now. So I will plug it back in and glue it on this ring here with the WB weld plastic glue, so my cover will fit on top again, and we are good to go. Thank you.